attach our elastic to the short end of the fabric. All you do is you're coming in about 1/4 of an inch. Make sure that the fabric you're using, the side that's good, this is the side that you're sewing your elastic to, and we'll show you why. You're going to go ahead and turn the elastic, same piece, to the other side, scoop it around. Make sure that the elastic is flat, lays flat, so there's no twists. Okay, 100% cotton is the fabric that we're using. You cut them into rectangles, and here I've already fastened the elastic. And then the liners are also 100% cotton. So we started sewing from the center of the mask on the long end. Coming to the corner, we're going to come right around. And remember, we're sewing the front side of the fabric. We see the elastic there, and we're sewing over. At this point, we're just sewing around the edge, leaving 1/4 of an inch. You want to make sure you leave a gap or an opening so that we can turn the fabric right side out. So we find the hole where we left an opening, and we're going to turn it right side out. And now we're going to sew up the hole. So here it is. The top is all sewn up, and we're ready to do the pleats. Okay, so starting on the pleats, you want to make sure they're deep. And you'll notice here that they meet up so that it fits snugly on their face, and you'll notice that the elastic is close to the corners. So when you measure it, we're right here at 2 inches. So I'll take this now and sew the pleats down. So it's done. I always backstitch on the pleats, but it's no more than 2 inches, and the pleats don't overlap. All done. So cute.